Hello there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York, and I wanted to bring a brief lesson using one-to-one correspondence, or just really counting carefully to you. As you can see on the screen that I'm sharing with you, I have some tens frames. So the directions on this worksheet say to count the dots in the tens frame and write the number next to it. So we have been practicing when we were in school using our finger to touch and count everything. Now, I can't show you that, okay? So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to put a dot in the middle of each of my dots in the tens frames, and I'm going to count as I go. So I want you to watch and I want you to count along with me for this first one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's 5 dots in my tens frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number 5 on the line. Okay? Now for the next one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to color in my dots because I can't show you me touching with my finger and pointing and counting. Okay, so let's do the next one. Here's 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write the number 3 on the line next to it. Now, as you continue, there are more tens frames for you to count and then write the number next to it. I want you to solve the rest of these problems on your own, and I want you to send a picture of your work to me. I'll see you again soon.